Here, have a banana. But guess what we're going to be making today? Big Top Bread! That's right, Big Top Bread! You're going to need about 10 ingredients. Can you count to 10? Sure you can. We're going to need things like water, yeast, molasses, flour, and all kinds of things. And this is what it's going to look like. Ain't that beautiful? 2 beautiful loaves of Greek bread. First, take your water. Make sure it's not over 50 degrees Celsius. Add in some molasses for the yeast. Stir it up real good. That's right, you're going to have to stir it up real good. You just read a magazine and I'll keep going. You can read your cookbook. You'll need some eggs. Stir them up real good. Mixing and mixing and mixing. And you'll need some brown sugar. And some salt. Some butter. And some Parmesan to make it really flavorful. Grate the Parmesan with your hand grater. Or an automatic when you stop. Keep grating. You need lots, about a quarter cup. What is that? Oh, and some sun-dried tomatoes. Don't forget the sun-dried tomatoes. And you have to have some other stuff too. Oh, olives. Put in some black olives. Chop up your sun-dried tomatoes real good. Don't forget, chop them up real good. Are there any bananas in there? There's no bananas in there though. Chop, 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 chop. Are you enjoying your book? Don't forget the black olives. You're gonna have to put some black olives in there too. Are you seeing anything in that good cookbook? Finding anything in there? Chop, 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 chop. Keep dicing and keep chopping. Gotta do a good job. What's in there? Oh. Now add your yeast to the bowl. Stir it up. Now you can start adding your ingredients into your mixing bowl. Your brown sugar. Turn the mixer on. Okay, add your salt. Now we're going to mix it up real good. And we're going to keep mixing. Banana's really like salty bread. The microphone's right there. Keep mixing. Now we'll clean off and we'll add some more flour. There, we just threw it down. Don't over-mix it. There you go, you can tell when it gets to this stage it's almost done. Ready to go. A little more mixing. Okay, that's enough mixing. Flour up your table. Sprinkle some flour so the dough doesn't stick to the counter. There you go. Then dump out your dough on the table. Shape it into a loaf. By hand. Isn't that right? That's right. Actually, I should have it at the corner, but that's okay. windows open. That's okay. Then we're gonna round it all up, punch it all down. Now we're gonna shape it into a loaf. Grease up some bread pans. Use some butter. Don't use margarine, use butter. Just about done. Just about done. Let it rise for an hour. After it's finished rising, punch it all down. Turn it into a loaf. Roll it up. Roll it out into a loaf. I should have played cards or some potatoes. Juggling potatoes. Put it into your grease bread pan. Let it rise. Again, let it rise for another half hour. Cover it up with a towel. And boom, there it is. 2 beautiful loaves done after it's been in the oven. Cook them for 20 to 35 minutes. Ain't that beautiful? You can do it too, it's real easy. Well, thanks for watching. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
We hope you enjoyed Nancy Brand with Epy. Come back next week when Epy makes his extra funny 40-minor potato pancakes. They're kind of nice apps.
Texas Mickey says order your Alberta SPCA calendar today. Yeehaw!